Question 17 of the 2020 Fermat Contest. It says in the diagram, triangle PQR is right angled at Q and point S is on PR. Somehow my mouse is disappearing. So that QS is perpendicular to PR. Okay. If the area of PQR is 30 and PQ is 5, so it's already labeled. The length of QS is blank. So we gotta find out the length of QS right here. Right, so the extra information that's not given on the diagram is the area being 30. So let's see, what do we need to do to find out the length here? Well, clearly, so I'm looking at this kind of sideways and thinking of this as the height of the triangle. So if we know do we know PR? If we know that, then we can easily find the height based on the area. But it seems like we don't. Oh wait, okay, but we can find this distance, right? Because for a right angled triangle, if we can multiply the base, which is this, by the other side, by the height, and then divide it by 2. So the area so we can find QR easily using the area and the height over here. And once we find those two, then we can find this one using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so I feel like that's a good approach that we can start working on. So for find QR, so we can do, the area is 30, yes? So area 30 equals base times height divided by 2. And base for this case is going to be QR and height is 5. So 30 equals 5 times QR divided by 2. So what do we get for QR? It's going to be 30 times 2 divided by 5, right? So 30 times 2 divided by 5. So that's going to be 12, right? So QR is going to be 12. So now that we have these two, we can find PR. So using our a squared plus b squared equals c squared Pythagorean theorem, we can find 5 squared plus 12 squared equals PR squared, which is, if you know the special triangle, you'll know that it's 13, but let's pretend we don't. So 25 plus 144 is equal to PR squared. So this is just 169. PR squared. And we take the square root of both sides to get PR equals 13. So this one is 13 from here to here. So now that we have this one as 13, we can find the height. Looking at it, if you were to rotate, if we were to rotate the whole triangle like so that now this is your new height. So we just flipped it over, right? And this is 13. And the height we need to find in the area is 30. So we have 30 equals to base times height divided by 2. 30, our new base is going to be 13 times the height, which is QS, divided by 2. So that's going to be, so QS will be 30 times 2 divided by 13. Sorry for the messy writing. So QS will be 60 over 13. And that's going to be option A.